My name is Iriarte and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Iriarte. I'm a rehabilitation specialist who began with MSK ultrasound 10 years ago. At the beginning it was very difficult because to learn from books is not enough. We can learn ultrasound and anatomy from books, but it's very difficult to translate it to the real practice. That's why I started learning 3D design in order to make myself the drawings, trying to understand the first and explain after the structures, the anatomy and their relationship. This way I could explain difficult subjects in a simple manner. In these times with the ultrasound actual machines, you can see structures smaller than 1 millimeter. So the anatomy is very complex. I developed a system to show you the anatomy first, then the correlation with the ultrasound, and finally the pathologies. This way I think it's a better way to understand and with high quality videos. Because ultrasound full HD videos with high quality content are difficult to find nowadays. I hope you like this channel, I hope you like its content, and I hope the time invested is worth it. Thank you very much.